Hello guys, welcome back to today's video. Today we have a very special dish that we are going to learn about and also learn how to cook, and it is called Maleewa. Maleewa is a very unique and special traditional dish that is found in the Bugisu land where the Bugisu people live. This is near Mountain Elgon or in the Mbale district if you are not familiar with Uganda. Maleewa is smoked tender bamboo shoots, and this dish is very special because these bamboos are traditionally got from the top of the mountain, smoked and then brought back down to the people who then eat it in various ways. The smoking of the tender bamboo gives it a distinct smoky taste that it is sometimes mistaken for smoked fish, and this is why it is very popular and very delicious to eat. Today I'll be walking you through the process of preparing the smoked Maleewa for cooking and also showing you how you can cook it in a stew. You can also follow me on Instagram to see the various ways I was able to play around with it, but most importantly, I hope you try this dish when you get a chance to. Traditionally, Maleewa is soaked until the bamboo is tender in water and rock salt or traditional salt, but since we don't have any of that, I'm going to be using baking soda to soak the Maleewa overnight until the bamboo is very tender. After soaking the bamboo overnight, the next thing we're going to do is to thoroughly wash it to remove the smoky parts. When you don't thoroughly wash the bamboo, the smoky parts tend to become bitter. So to avoid this, you can wash it as long as you want. In this video, I washed it 4 times until the water changed from brown to clear. In the meantime, we are going to be preparing to make our groundnut stew by boiling our water. mixing the groundnut paste and letting it set. Since the bamboo is already tender, the next thing we're going to do is to slice it or cut it into bite-sized pieces. As you can see here, I sliced it. You can chop it however you want, but make sure that you avoid cutting through the nodes, and these are the hard parts of the bamboo. So what we do here, if you notice, is that I discard the node. A quick cooking tip: if you don't want to discard the nodes, you can use them alongside your vegetables to make vegetable stock. They will add a smoky flavor to your vegetable stock. Maleewa is usually eaten with groundnut stew, and this is what we're going to be making next. I have an entire video, a separate video talking about how to make groundnut stew, Ugandan groundnut stew, so please go watch that. our groundnut stew starts to simmer, the next thing we are going to do is to add our chopped bamboo or maleewa into the groundnut stew. At this point, we will also add our spices. I try to use as little spices as possible because the dish speaks for itself. Once you have added everything, stir the stew and let it simmer on low heat until it has fully reduced into half. Remember, this dish can be served with anything. You can serve it with posho, with sweet potatoes, you can serve it with Irish potatoes, or you can serve it with matoke, anything you want, even rice. Thank you for watching today's video. Please, if you have any comments, make sure to leave them in the comment section below. Also, the fully written recipe of this Maleewa dish is on my blog, A Kitchen in Uganda, so make sure to check it out, and also tag me at A Kitchen in Uganda to share your creations with me on social media. Thank you. See you in the next video.